Hi, I'm Councillor Mark Young. Today I just wanted to briefly tell you about White Ribbon Day, which the Council is supporting. It's a day that supports the ongoing campaign to eradicate violence against women, and that day is today. We as a council, in association with Denbighshire Leisure Limited, will be lighting up two of our landmarks today, namely the Rill Pavilion and the Rill Sky Tower, in white, to raise awareness of women who suffer violence on a daily basis. Ending domestic abuse is so important to us as a council that we have made it one of our priorities in our corporate plan. And as such, we are today supporting the White Ribbon Day by lighting these Denbighshire landmarks to raise awareness. Violence against women affects all of us. Please show your support and wear a white ribbon. In addition to White Ribbon Day, the Council is developing a county-wide approach to reducing domestic abuse against women and men as part of its corporate plan, as well as supporting the North Wales plan to tackle all aspects of violence against women, domestic abuse and sexual violence. In Denbighshire, we know that during the pandemic, the figures have risen sharply. Can I just end by saying that anyone out there, you may not even be aware that you are a victim of domestic abuse. It doesn't always manifest itself as a bruise. Please don't suffer in silence. There are people out there who can help. If you need help, please ring the Live Fear Free helpline on 0808 8010 800 7 days a week for free advice and support, or to talk through your options. Or, of course, if you're in immediate danger, then please ring North Wales Police on 999. You are not alone.